So now I want to enter the fields I need to scrape this timeline about World War II. And it would be a good idea to take a look at what I want my finished product to look like. I want it to have 3 columns, and the column headers are timeline event, year or years, and URL. So let's go back to the timeline, or the page with the timeline on it, and now I'll click enter manually, and I'll skip ahead to the point where I've typed in the 3 fields. So I typed in the field headers I want. The headers are timeline event, year or years, and URL. And the URL will give me more information about that particular event. And there's a certain amount of trial and error involved in this. When I first tried this, my first field header was just the word event. And that really didn't scrape the data I wanted. So I added timeline to it and made the header timeline event. And that allowed it to work more effectively. So now down at the bottom of the sidebar, I will click scrape. And Thunderbit starts scraping this page, or scraping the timeline on this page. And we'll skip ahead to the point where the timeline is scraped. Actually, it's done now. It tells me there's 29 rows, which is a good sign. Now I'll click Open Result Table. So now I've got those 3 columns, timeline event, year or years, and URL. The URL, I can click on a URL. So I'll do Dunkirk evacuation. I click on the URL for Dunkirk evacuation, and I go to the Britannica web page that gives me more information about the Dunkirk evacuation. I can close this page and go back to the table.